Today, Pappu looks very serious. He said, I'm going to the bank. Big work today. No jokes today. I'm going to deposit money. He walks proudly like a hero. Inside the bank. Pappu entered the bank, saw a comfy chair and thought, let me sit for just 2 minutes. He sits, yawns loudly and falls asleep instantly. 2 minutes passed. 10 minutes passed. And Pappu went into deep sleep mode. In his dream, Pappu became the owner of the bank. Everyone line up. I'm giving free money today. People cheer and Pappu throws money in the air, full drama mode. Guard wakes him up. Suddenly, a guard came in. Hey sir, why are you sleeping here? Huh? Where's my money? The guard laughed and said, you didn't deposit money, you deposited sleep. The ending.